Is on PM Modi's oath-taking ceremony, where special invites for the Modi's oath-taking ceremony have been sent out. Now, labourers working in Central Vista project, staff from the railways working on Vande Bharat trains and metros, transgender sanitation workers in public health department, beneficiaries of all the central government schemes, Viksit Bharat ambassadors, all of them are invited for PM Modi's swearing-in ceremony, which is likely to take place at 6:30 p.m. on 9th June, according to the sources as of now. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. The ceremony was earlier slated to take place on 8th of June, but according to the sources, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to take the swearing-in ceremony at 6:30 p.m. on 9th of June. And now PM Modi has also extended special invites, especially after inviting his international counterparts for this special ceremony. Special invites for Modi's oath-taking ceremony have been now extended to the labourers working in Central Vista project, staff from the railways working on Vande Bharat and Metro, transgenders, sanitation workers in public health department, beneficiaries for central government schemes and much more. Joining us on the broadcast to give more details is Payal Mehta. Very good morning, Payal. What more details do we have about these special invites that have been extended?
Well, of course, you're going to have a lot of politicians coming. You'll have people from the film industry. You'll have people from the sports fraternity also come for this big occasion. But you know that the Prime Minister is known to keep certain things very, very importantly available. Right. He's known to, break the track as far as the invites, etc. is concerned. So this time around, the Prime Minister said that the ambassadors of change, whether it is Viksit Bharat scheme, whether it is women, who largely worked as sanitation workers, or probably even people who've been working on the Central Vista project. Remember, the Prime Minister interacts every time that he goes to Central Vista project. He did interact with the workers who had been working on ground because he called them the ambassadors of change. These are the ones who are actually building a Viksit Bharat. The Prime Minister invited such people to his oath-taking, yet another breaking the stereotypes and in fact making sure that people on ground who have actually worked themselves out are invited.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses. But